Forgotten username recovery failed on Bitstamp Fix. If you've forgotten your Bitstamp username, don't panic. Most people make the mistake of guessing or using outdated credentials, but the surprising truth is that your registered email and identity verification are all you need to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Bitstamp login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Bitstamp will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect your full name, ID verification documents, and any recent transaction information. Bitstamp support can use these details to verify your identity and assist with recovery. Step 3. Carefully follow the instructions in the recovery email. Always check spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear in your inbox. Step 4. If these steps fail, contact Bitstamp support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that username recovery attempts were unsuccessful. Their team will help restore access securely and efficiently. The main takeaway is that forgetting your Bitstamp username doesn't lock you out permanently. With the right email or verification documents, you can regain access quickly and continue trading with confidence.